There is nothing one will not see in this family, in this house. Huh? Look at these idiots. Someone I brought from the village to brush her up, even though she refused to be brushed up. She now has the mouth to talk back at me. Ha! Mwawapa omube. Uchebedugo tubedato. Ha! Ekubo smelling. Ha!
Oh, I tell you say, I tell you say, come! See, if you not change them now, nobody go watch any film for here. If I go play, I go scatter.
This girl is mad. She's mad.
Mama? What's going on? What is going on? Who are you looking for? What is this? What happened to my television?
Is it not your wife?
Mama, can you stop? Who is my wife? Please, what happened to my television?
It's Philomena. That girl, she's mad. She was watching telly and I came in, changed the channel. I asked her to go to the kitchen and they wash the dishes. The next thing I saw, she ran into the room and came out with a flower vase. She chased me out. I just came in now and saw that she broke the telly.
Philomena! Philomena! Philo!
Husband,
come here.
husband.
What happened to my television?
Now your mama happened to the television. Yes. Husband, as you don't hear, they watch one man where they make me laugh for here. So I can't sit down here, they laugh. The man they make me they laugh. They make me they laugh. So they laugh now as the man they make me laugh. Now your mama can't come out. Come follow me, they laugh. Sit down here with me. Can't carry that thing where then they use press that thing where you if you press them. Then the man can't come out. He can't come out that man where they make me happy. Now I come verse say make you put them back, make you put that man back. The mama no agree put the man back. The mama, I can't sit down here as I tell him put that man back, put that man back. He can't say, are we mad? I can't say yes, are we mad? And you know say that are we mad, they make me mad. Now I come verse, as I come verse, now I run, I use run, come up from here. I know waka. I run. Go there, go see that that's something where they use to put tree. I can't carry am. As I carry am, come, I do like this. Now the thing come, boom! The thing come land for this thing where that man they shoot that time.
Can you just listen to yourself?
Yes.
Can you hear yourself talk?
Yes.
Listen, you are going to replace that television screen with your money, and if it is beyond repairs, you will have to buy another one.
Ha! You are not going to change it. You will buy a new one. Since you are mad. You must buy a new one. Yes.
You see, you don't come again. Are we mad? You don't come again for your front now. Say, are we mad? You don't follow.
Will you shut up? Shut up!
You and your mama, when I don't plan them, Abi. When I don't plan them, so I go change them. Which money?
You go buy another one.
Mama, no, carry your hand, go up. No carry and go up. No carry and go up.
You realize you are raising your voice in my presence.
Yes.
Something wrong with you?
Yes.
It's all my fault. It's all my fault. I caused it. I caused everything. I don't blame you.
It's fine. Please relax.
Say no, relax.
Philomena, would you put yourself in check?
Check? Check and I say make you check.
Shut up! What is your problem? Can't you shut that asshole you call mouth up for once?
Okay. You no go talk now.
Hey!
No they do Don't come again. No be a we mad again. Bring that man now. Make it come out too. Make it come out too. In fact, see, make you not allow make my vest come out no, because I won't make it come out now. I go scatter anywhere where I see. I go scatter anything where they here. I go scatter them now. Bring them now. I go scatter everything. In fact, make I go put myself for mood now.
Hey!
Well, where did you get this riffraff from?
Hi. It's all my fault. It's all my fault.
Say you dey want me, say you dey want me, say you dey want me. Say you dey want me, say you dey want me.
Philomena, what is the meaning of this nonsense that you are doing? First, it was the television that you broke. Secondly, you wouldn't let us have peace in the house. You are almost done drinking a bottle of whiskey. Disturbing the whole house, what for?
They catch cruise now.
What nonsense cruise? Mother, please, what is the meaning of this?
What is going on here?
See for yourself.
Philomena, what is wrong with you? Are you insane? She's wearing the same pants she used to put on her head. Hey!
Obi, come!
Who hold you?
Have you seen that you are normal?
Are you mad? What is wrong with you?
Hey!
Eh? Why are you behaving like an idiot?
Old woman! Now me they talk to. Eh? Blind they crazy so.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? How dare you talk to my mother in that tone?
My head they told me, I they see double here. You say, are we mad? Again?
Hi.
Hey! This slap way slap me, don't scatter my brain. You don't scatter my brain. Are you mad again?
Shimon! Hi!
Mother, how could you do this? I told you to. Mother, I told you to get me a wife. Not my doom.
How was I supposed to know that she's this way? She told me that in her village they call her Philo the fighter. I didn't know that this was what she meant. How was I supposed to know?
Mother, you have finished me. How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? Eh? You lied about her village. You lied about her educational status. You even went as far as teaching her ways to use in communicating with me. All for what? Just because you want the yellow mat of this house. Now, look at what is going on. Hey! Sorry, please.
My son.
Mother, you have killed us.
My son, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I didn't know she's this way. I'm sorry. I didn't know she's this way.
Hello, DPO. DPO, I need your help. Someone is trying to kill me in my house. Please, I need you to send your boys as soon as possible. Yes, now, please, DPO, hurry, please.
What did he say? Down the way. Thank God.
Sorry, please.
Thank God the police are on their way. Hey!
Mother, what am I doing?
Just hold the door very well.
Sorry now, sorry, please. Mother, this girl is a mother.
Let's go. This way. Let's go. Come this way.
Thank you, officer. Please tell the DPO that I'm coming. Please take her away.
Madam, this way. Come. This way. Don't touch. Will you miss this? Let's go.
Please take her away.
My son, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Thank God the police have taken her away. We can now live in peace.
Listen, I regret listening to all the bad advices that you gave me. I regret it. Now look at where this whole thing has landed us. Just take a good look.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it this way. Please.
Mayalum was a good woman. She was a decent wife. But guess what, mother? You frustrated her life. You frustrated her out of this marriage. Now just look at the whole thing. Just look, mother, you are evil.
Mbano, it have not reached to this. Eh? It's too harsh. I'm still your mother.
You are my mother, but you have not behaved like a good mother. No mother, because of your greed and selfishness for grandchildren. Just look at what you did to my life. You've messed my life up.
Hey!
My father wants us to come to the village tomorrow for a meeting.
Everyday meeting. I'm not going, no.
Why?
Because I don't feel like it.
My father said we must be there. It's about life and death. So we have to. First thing tomorrow morning.
craving have changed drastically lately.
Your craving has changed drastically lately. Yes, line. Is it food?
I have this urge for soured food. And if I don't have it, I'll feel like throwing up. That's why I'm taking it.
When last did you see your period?
I don't remember, Mama.
You don't remember? It means you're pregnant. You are pregnant, Iheme.
Mama, how will you know that?
I am a woman. I know that craving. I had same craving when I was pregnant with you. Hey! Iheme!
Mama, if this is true, God, if this is true, Mama will be the happiest person on earth. Pregnant. Hey! God. Mama, what do we do now?
No, I know you're pregnant. But first, let us go to the hospital and confirm. So I'll be sure.
Hospital?
Yes.
Mama, let's go.
Oh yeah, quickly go and dress. Let's go to the hospital and be sure.
Yes. Mama, I'm okay like this. We can go like this, I'm okay.
No problem. Let me change my bathroom slippers and probably wash my leg.
Mama, your bathroom slippers is looking very nice on you.
That's why I should carry the bathroom slippers to the hospital.
Yes, Mama.
And you're looking fine. Mama, Iheme, let me go and change my bathroom slippers and wash my legs. Hey!
Monyalo, pregnant. I wish it's true. I pray it's true. God, please. Mama, please, hurry up. I need to go to the hospital. Please, Mama.
Now that we have confirmed that you are indeed pregnant, I think it's time you went home to see your husband so that you can break the news to him.
Papa, I won't do that. It's been almost 2 weeks that I came back to this village. And my husband is yet to call to know how I'm faring. I'm not going anywhere, Papa. No.
In as much as I hate to say this, your father is right. You cannot continue to stay in this house. We have not returned your bride price yet.
Are we planning to?
Not at all. He's still your husband traditionally.
Mama, my husband is an irresponsible weakling. How am I supposed to do that when he has another woman at home? How?
No, yeah. Look, as far as we are concerned, your husband can harbor so many women in his house. That's not our business. All we know is that you are the only one that is married to him.
Simple.
And so he remains your husband.
Papa, today is not a sad day. Today is a day of joy. Let us celebrate and leave my husband and his issues for today. Please, Papa. Mama, please.
I told you that God will surprise you with a child when you least expect it.
Yes, you did.
I'm so glad my prayer worked.
Thank you so much. Thank God. Wow, thank you, Papa. I'm so happy. My
you're
little
right.
angel.
You are right. This is the day of celebration.
Exactly,
yeah.
Papa.
Go to my bedroom. You will see palm wine there. Bring it. Let us celebrate. Yes, now.
She's pregnant too. We should drink as well.
Who told you palm wine is bad for baby?
No, drink more, Mama.
We will rule out a bottle of stout. Even if you don't drink from me, 2 of us.
Hey, Papa, we'll still have a taste of it.
Look at you. Don't mind 2 of us, so we are not old though. Chimwanya, I called for this meeting at your instance. You specifically requested that I invite Mazu be here because you felt he's a man of high integrity, he's full of wisdom and is very sincere. Then on top of that is an encyclopedia of our customs and tradition. So for you to go to such extent, it means what you want to tell us is something of utmost importance. So, we are all ears. Talk to us.
Thank you, Papa, for the honor. Thank you, Maziobi, for coming.
You are welcome, my daughter.
What's the meaning of this? Huh? Anyway, whatever you have to say, make it snap. Because I need to be in the city ASAP. My unborn child cannot withstand the harsh weather in this village.
Yay!
Oh.
I don't intend to take much of your time. When my father married you into our home, I thought you were the best mom anyone could ever have. Suddenly, you changed. But the thing that topped me the most is that I caught you making call with another man while my dad was off to work. And you go out to see the same man to God knows where.
How ridiculous. Wait, is this why you brought me out of my comfort? Honey, you see? I told you these people have nothing productive to say. But you kept on insisting. It's a matter of life and death. It's a matter of life and death.
Shut up.
Because right here and now, I will teach you how not to talk rudely. Especially when you are in the midst of your elders. Napwala, are you mad or something?
Let her talk. I'm sure she is not yet done talking. So allow her.
No. Of course I'm not done talking.
Go ahead.
I also heard you telling the same man that you're going to tell your husband you'll be taking some clothes to the dry cleaner. And you're going to waste much time there. So I came up with a plan. Good afternoon, Mommy.
Good afternoon, my love. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Mom, you never answered my greetings.
I know. And I'm very sorry. Listen. Give me your hands. I want us to start up on a fresh, clean slate. No fighting, no quarreling. You know, I want us to live together like a mother and a daughter should.
Okay.
Which is why I especially went to the supermarket to get you bananas.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. I know how much you love bananas.
I love you.
I love you more. I'll be upstairs, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
And there are granules inside.
Okay.
Okay. Stop it. I can't wait. Where? I think I like when you kiss me on the forehead. You know. That's so naughty. Why do you make me scream so loud? are you doing there? I mean, how long have you been standing there? What did you hear?
I did not hear anything. I just came now. And why are you asking?
Nothing. I just didn't know that you were back from school.
I came back from school, but you were in your room, so I decided not to disturb you.
Okay. Just go back to your room. Let me make you something nice to eat.
She's wise and brave, don't take her for granted. Echikwana Bobby, Auntie Koi Koi, Auntie Pancake. She's not a fearful child. She knows her right, don't play with her. She's small but mighty, Bobby Moore. Small but mighty, smartness in a besides her. Silence no be weakness, to bomb way, bookie, Malabar. Small but mighty, smartness in a besides her.
This one you brought me here. Hope there's no problem.
I'll ask you for a favor. And promise me you won't tell anyone about it.
Am I mad? Hey, Mban, tell who? Huh? I promise.
Okay. My stepmom would... What is it?
You go ahead and talk.
My stepmom will call you to carry a bag filled with clothes inside, to put inside the car. So she'll take it to the laundry. It's going to be heavy, but you have to carry it regardless.
Just that. It's nothing now. It's just that why I was squeezing my face was because that's your auntie, your stepmother. I didn't mention her name, turns my belly. If we she no be better person. I just wish Oga go notice her. Meanwhile, you said a bag full of clothes. And you also said that it will be heavy. How come?
She's going to be tough. I'll be inside.
Hebo. Oyibo. Hey, Mbano.
It is your voice.
Awa. Mpemedo mobrunde boy. What if something happens? Eh? What if you could not breathe inside there? Or something happens? Okay, I will die before my time. Hey.
You promise you're going to do it and stop asking too much questions. Well, you're at it. Make sure you keep the bag ajar.
Ajar again? What is ajar?
Like, make the zip of the bag open a little bit. So I could be able to breathe. It can be easy for me to come out.
Oh, wonderful.
Reduce your voice.
Hey! Now you have come. I will run for you now. Hey! Van! I will run for you. I will do it for you now.
Okay. I know I can always count on you.
Hey, go ahead and count on you. I am going to do it for you. Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, you are. Hey. I will not do it.
Hey, what's up? Where are you up to?
I want to do laundry.
Laundry? And you're applying all this makeup on your face?
I don't care where I'm going to. I have to always look good
so that the world will see that you are married to a pretty woman.
Yeah, I know, but that's really too heavy, you know?
Oh, this?
And the cloth, yeah, it's too plenty.
Oh, you know it's been long since we last took our clothes to the laundry.
Oh, yeah. I've been so busy all this while, yeah. You're right.
I know. Emeka! Emeka! Take this to the car.
Hey, one them. No one anya. Door. Hey, wo. Ansije. Hey! Aha! Dalo. Hey! Hey, wo. No one anya bikon. Wala shije. Door.
I should be the one asking you that. You brought him, so tell us, where did you get him from? See you, babe.
Okay. Nice day.
Silent no be weakness. To one way, bookie, Malabar, small but invited. Smartness no be size. Silent no be weakness. To one way, bookie, Malabar, small but invited. Smartness no be size. Silent no be weakness. To one way, bookie, Malabar, small but invited. Smartness no be size. Silent no be weakness. To one way, bookie, Malabar. Bobby, I try up on some little Bobby, I need to Bobby, I try up on some I need to Manini and Sabu, Onyaki Sabu, Ejiofor, Omega, Fire Canodo, Otaga, Bobby, Van Ichopan Sabu, Onyaki Sabu, Ejiofor, Omega, Fire Monkey Canodo, Otaga. Van. She's wise and brave, don't take her for granted. Echikwana Bobby, when believe Auntie Koi, Auntie Pancake. She's not a fearful child. You know, go. She knows her right. Don't play with her. She's small but mighty. Bobby Noah. Small but mighty. Smartness no be size. Silent no be weakness. To one way, bookie, Malabar. Small but mighty. Smartness no be size. Silent no be weakness. To one way, bookie, Malabar. Small but mighty. Smartness no be size. Silent no be weakness. To one way, bookie, Malabar. Small but mighty. Smartness no be size.
I enjoyed every moment with you.
Then why did you go ahead to marry that weakling of a husband?
Oh well, you know he's the one that pays the bill I use in taking care of you. And you are the one that hits me the right spot. So you see, I need you both in my life.
I understand. And I hope you've not forgotten about our plan.
Oh, how can I? I still got that in mind. Once I make enough money from him, I will certainly elope somewhere very far.
Oh, that's nice. It's fine.
But you know, the way you hit me these days without protection, you might get me pregnant.
And wouldn't you like it?
Oh, come on. You know I'm a married woman.
Oh, okay. Married woman. Sorry, what's this? Like, what's this bag for?
I told him I was going to the laundry so I can come see you.
That's crazy.
Oh well, anything to see you.
It's all good. Alright then, I'll leave you. I'll catch up with you later.
Okay.
I love you.
Okay.
Take good care of yourself.
I will. And you too.
You too. Alright, later.
Yeah.
She's wise and brave, don't take her for granted. Echikwana Bobby, when Merife Burewu, Auntie Koi Koi, Auntie Pancake. She is not a fearful child. She knows her right, don't play with her. She's small but mighty, Bobby Mwa. Small but mighty, smartness in a B-size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, cookie malawa. Small but mighty, smartness in a B-size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, cookie malawa.
Oh my goodness. Why do you hate me so much? Why? What did I ever do wrong to you? What kind of lie is this? Lies from the pit of hell. Lies from the pit of hell. You've never been happy with me right from when your father married me. What did I do? What did I do wrong?
Leave her, let her act. Nollywood.
I have pictures and the voice record of your discussion with the man.
Okay.
Yes, let's hear it.
Can you play it for us too?
I'll play it, Grandma.
Hey! Hey!
You've not forgotten about our plan.
How can I? I still got that in mind. Once I make enough money from him, I will certainly elope somewhere very far.
Oh, that's nice.
It's fine. But you know, the way you hit me those days without protection, you might get me pregnant.
And wouldn't you like it?
Oh, come on. You know I'm a married woman.
Oh, okay. Married woman.
Hey! Woman came with the foolish 3 weeks. Hey! Catherine! I don't know what that's one gig.
I bumped into you when you were still making the same call with the man. So you decided to make plans by throwing me out of my own father's house.
Party! Ha! Is this how you... Jesus,
This is wicked.
that's one gig. That's one.
Hey!
Have you seen it?
You see?
The baby she's carrying in her womb is not yours.
Hey!
I will say the truth. I will talk. The day that I slept on the stairs. I didn't have miscarriage. It was planned. I was not pregnant.
Hi.
And in the hospital we went to, I already planned with the doctor before we came. That was why I insisted we go there. Please.
Abomination. Abomination. If it were in the days of our forefathers, you would be stoned to death, and your evil corpse will be thrown into the forest.
Or the worse than be thrown into the evil forest. Hey!
You are a devil. You are a snake. In fact, I combine it, you are a devilish snake.
sent to my home to destroy my family and I. Hey, Mama, do not take him, man. Ah!
You are
See, the heart of man is not only desperately wicked, but dark. Dark!
Exactly.
Hi!
Catherine, so you were buying time. You were buying time for you to be able to destroy my son. Waiting for the best time to kill him so that you can pack all his money and elope with your worthless boyfriend. Imezuena. Na mi arika wo. Mama. Hey! Kati, all this will be planned. You never broke up with Japheth. You never did. Japheth. You were secretly seeing him, even after you got married to my brother.
Please forgive me.
Were you still seeing the Japheth?
Forgive me, Mama, Papa.
Which Mama?
Please, forgive me. I am still your daughter.
Osi daughter, God forbid that I will have a snitch as a daughter. Like you, God forbid that I will have you as a daughter.
Look, as we speak, her parents would have been twisting themselves uncomfortably in their graves. Whose daughter are you?
Please, forgive me. My husband. I am sorry. I still love you very, very much.
Love kill you very, very much. Love waga in fact. May that love deal with you. You are a devil. Some love. Do you know what is love? Hi! Who is the father of that unborn child?
Here comes the man that is responsible for the child.
Hey!
I invited him over. I took his number from your phone because I know one day I'll need it.
Alpha. I want to introduce myself. My name is Japheth, and I'm here to take what rightfully belongs to me. I mean, my wife and my unborn child. Baby,
are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Where did you fly in from? Who go with you? Me? I will never step an inch with you. I'm going nowhere with a poverty-infested wanderer like you. I'd rather abort this child than have it for you.
Wanderer, my maybe. Oh, it's champagne.
Hi.
It's okay. Calm down. My daughter, except you want to die a slow and painful death. Our custom and tradition strictly kick against abortion. Any maiden in this village who indulges herself in abortion will die a slow and painful death. Our custom and tradition states that if you are carrying a man's child and refuse to move in with him during the time of childbirth, he can pronounce a curse against you, and it must happen.
Hey.
My candid advice to you is go with him.
Mazi, may God bless you for your words. Thank you very much. Baby, let's go.
Hey, Catherine! Catherine! Go with him.
Go with your husband.
See, we will come and collect our bride price as soon as possible. Bye-bye. Cha.
Hey, nonsense. I don't want to get a fat though.
Hey. What is this?
Now I'm a good.
Your baggage.
My wife.
My pregnant wife.
My pregnant wife.
I'm going to attend to my pregnant wife.
nowadays.
My daughter, my angel, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Your mommy, my late wife, asked me to take care of you, but I failed her. Please, I want you to forgive me, please.
To err is human, to forgive is divine. I have forgiven you already before you ask.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Who are these people? And what are they doing here? You heard her. What are you doing here? Where is your cap? Go, Jongo.
Please, Nonyalo. I have come to say that we are sorry. And thank God that you are all here. I beg for your forgiveness. Mostly you, Nonyalo. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all I did to you. I'm sorry for all I made my son do to you. Honestly, you did nothing to me. You did not wrong me in any way. I hated you. I didn't want my son to marry you. That was the reason I did all those things to you. Forgive me. I promise it will not happen again. Please.
Mona Balia, Juliana, if you have repented, know that the devil has equally repented.
This Juliana you are seeing now is not that Juliana you used to know. This is a changed Juliana.
Why didn't you give him his cap, Ojongo? Okay. Why didn't you give him?
This is the new devil. The old devil has repented.
Okay.
Noyalum, I know that there is nothing I would say or do that would atone for the wrongs that I did to you. All the pains that I caused you. Please, I'm begging you to find a place in your heart to forgive me. If you decide not to forgive me, I deserve it. But I want you to know that I love you so much, with or without a child.
Where is your cap of wickedness, Ojongo? Where is it? You didn't come with it. Oh, Lisa.
You stripped me of my self-esteem. I couldn't even look myself in the mirror without remembering the hurtful words you and your mother said to me.
Hey, Neno. No, you know, Magoya Sekwala. Stop counting.
Is it behave the way you like?
Please. Just give me one more chance and I promise you that I will spend the rest of my life making it up to you. Please, I beg you.
How will you do that?
Have you forgotten? So soon? Oh, Lisa, have you forgotten so soon? You opened your mouth and you called me a rocky crowd.
I'm sorry. Please.
Oh, Lisa, you broke my heart. You shattered it. You tore it into pieces.
Sorry.
I showed you love. I gave you my all. And yet, you and your mother used me as a rag. And here you are. Here you are. Asking me to forgive me. Asking me to forgive.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please.
But Olisa,
Let me bust your bubble. Let me bust your bubbles. This rocky ground, as you called it, a seed is growing inside of it now. Yes!
I don't understand.
How will you understand? How, Ulisa? But you know what? I forgive you. I forgive you and your mother. Because God has answered my prayers. Mama, God has answered my prayers. And she's pregnant. Yes. What? Hey! God, thank you.
Gaba! Juliana Ekwensu Gaba! Where is it? Gonna be an Agakande, and my mom in the China. Furuzo. They are coming to hug her. Don't hug her.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
Why didn't you come with that cap?
Mama is okay. Mama is okay.
Baby, I'm pregnant. Papa. Sorry, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please,
What's up?
Be very careful.
Oh God! What kind of a thing is this now? Eh? Can somebody sleep in his house? What kind of a nonsense is this? Eh? I will go to work. After carrying block on my head, I will still come back to my house. I will not rest.
How can you rest? How can you rest when you are useless? No.
Wait. Is it me you're talking to? Is it me you're talking to like that?
You know, I've always known that you are poor, but not deaf. Just imagine. Imagine the shithole you are living in. If you're going to, look at it. Imagine the shithole you are living in. You knew you were not ready to get married. Yet you impregnated me. Why? Why, Jeffet? Eh? Okay, can I go? I'll tell you I go here. I'll tell you I go here since. Goodness me, oh. Goodness me. Just imagine. Just imagine. Look at the uncompleted building you are living in. You don't even have common electrical connection. Talk more of fun. Fun. It wants to finish me in this place. Jeffat, you have ruined my life. You have ruined my life. You are useless. You are very useless.
I'm useless.
You are useless.
I'm useless.
Yes.
I'm useless. I'm useless.
Wipe your tears and cry no more. Anwakoronyuma buchinya kakaraya. Weeping men dear, just for a night. How long will I pretend God is watching? So mechiranya fanana fafugodi famanu faponya chife ndegodi fana chacho denwa kachupu nyerengina buakagi. Yet you don't care, you don't know what you have. You use your fake life destroy yourself. Nobody is God, all this evil is in vain. How long you can pretend no God is watching? Malukwa, nobody is God. All this evil is in vain. How long you can pretend God is watching? Malukwa, nobody is God. All this